8. Am I my brother's keeper? Quite regularly, thousands of preachers take Genesis 4:9 as their text and preach a revolting sermon on, Am I my brother's keeper? Their answer is yes, we are our brother's keeper, and we are sinning if we are not keeping him, providing for his welfare and looking after his needs. If we do not, then we become guilty men like Cain, the first murderer. This is all hogwash. There is nothing biblical about it. First of all, the whole question, am I my brother's keeper, comes from Cain the murderer. The statement itself is as rotten as the man. God did not answer Cain because he did not deserve an answer for so contemptible a statement. Second, the proper answer would be, no, Cain, you are not your brother's keeper, and no man is his brother's keeper, but you are your brother's brother. You have a responsibility not to keep him, but to live in honesty, faith, and law-abiding relationship with him under God. God makes no man his brother's keeper. Certainly, my brother would not take kindly to being kept by me, nor would I take kindly to being kept by him. We are both free men under God. Any man who wants to be kept by me is a parasite, and any man who wants to keep me is a dictator and tyrant. Communism declares that it is man's keeper and it will lead men into paradise on earth. But the communists, like all who try to apply Cain's principle, end up as their brother's murderer. Their principle is, let us keep you or we will kill you. Our own politicians are also like Cain in their thinking. They insist that they are the keeper for all who need keeping, but they insist on doing this keeping with our money. This is a mentality of the murderer Cain, who felt that the right to take life or to leave it was his, or to keep or not keep his brother was his right. In other words, Cain made his own law as he went along. He was a law unto himself. My brother and I, and all men, are alike under God. I have a responsibility to provide for my family, but even here my keeping is strictly under God's law. I can't be my own law. Moreover, my family's basic keeper and mine is the Lord. As David said, quote, the Lord is my keeper. Psalm 121:5. As Abel's keeper, the Lord passed judgment on Cain. As David's keeper, the Lord preserved him from the enmity of Saul and made him king in Saul's stead. He has been my keeper also. The Lord never made me my brother's keeper, simply my brother's brother, a better relationship. And we both prefer the Lord as our keeper, not Cain nor his preachers.